Many of you have asked me about how to improve the speed of Ensign, especially when you're switching back and forth between various workspaces, various templates. Let me tell you, you need to go to the Ensign software uh, website, hit the download key, go to the What's New tab here. And when you get to the What's New tab, it tells you all the newest things that have come with the latest updates. You can see there are a tremendous amount of them. Howard is always improving the course. But down here at the bottom it says Ensign Tuneup for peak performance. Now again, this is a pretty substantial area of what to do and how to do it. And you'll see there's a nice whole section of actions and things you need to take. One of the most important is, since you have the auto add symbols, you'll keep adding symbols on here, and a lot of them will be obsolete when you change to different contract months and things like that. So you want to get rid of as many of those as you can. But even more important, down here at the very bottom is you read about the speed and the CPU setup, and there'll be more setups that you can modify through here. I won't go through explain any of them, just print them out and make that happen. And then finally there is read more of the CPU burden, about the burden you put on your processor as time goes by. So just a short area to help you with that area. Now I'm going to stop this video. And I want to go to the second part of this video, which I think is important. I put this up some time ago about how best to secure your system and how to make it work best. And this computer system will go through and show you a lot of things. Now the problem that most people have is they don't know enough about how their Windows XP, their Windows Vista, or their Windows 7 works. And this video professor file is a place you should go. Please don't ask us to teach you how to run your Windows system. It does take a while, but this is basically about security and how to check your current status. Now this site, GibsonResearch.com, really shows you a lot about the thousands of ways viruses and worms and all the bad guys can get in the system. Steve Gibson's a friend of mine. I've known him for a very long time. He will go through, and you want to go to the Shields Up section. You want to also learn how to create restore points on your computer. So when you put in new software, you do computer updates from Windows, sometimes those things totally screw up your system. So you always want to do an update before you get in trouble where you can't unrestore and you can't go backwards. You want to have the Windows set to automatically update Windows. But what I do is I set it to download them, but to not auto-install them. You want to have the choice to do that. I can't explain all those details right now, but that is your business, so learn about this. If you don't have a router, you need a Linksys router. My choice is not a wireless one, but a hardwired router will always work better than a wireless one. About firewalls, I know a lot of systems come loaded with Norton or McAfee. I highly suggest Trend Microsystem. It's a Japanese company. You can also get a German company called AVG. Both of those are excellent. Now I put an email screener between my Outlook and everything else, and that's called Mailwasher Pro. You'll really like that. Your antivirus, there's a bunch of information in here. If you ever do get stuck, most viruses wipe out your antivirus system first. So if you suspect that, then use Trend Micro's house call. Finally, how do we handle spyware is in here, and all the various things, and a complete setup of what you should do almost every day, or once a week, or once a month to check your system. So I hope this helps. This is Bill McCready for Futures Trading Secrets.